Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers. I believe everyone is doing great today. I remain shegzyFX. In this short video, I'll be showing you some secret things about my strategy. This secret thing I want to show you today is about how to know you are in the right trading trend direction of the market and how to hold on your trade. Firstly, I have shared this secret with my students last week and they are making the use of it perfectly, and it has been helping them. Please take note of this. Alright, before we start, actually let me show you my settings there. Can you see it? This is my parabolic stars. I use 0.02, maximum 0.02. Can you see my Trimiku? I use 5.2. Can you see the settings? Alright. And RSI, can you see the setting also? C level here is buying, while here is confirmation. While here is buying. Then you apply to your chart. Can you see it? Alright. I want to explain this secret to you guys. Before you trade, whenever you want to trade, firstly open your chart like this. Make sure you set it to daily time frame. Can you see it? Here is our buying area, while here is our selling area. We sell at the top here and we buy at the bottom here. Okay, for those of you that are new in this strategy, we always say immediately this blue line touch here. Can you see it? And price and price rewards with feather. Can you see how this price fall? And we buy again immediately this blue line touch here. Can you see it? And price rewards will pump up. Alright, the secret today that I want to show you is that for those of you that are using 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame to trade, this video will surely help you. Alright, here at this blue line touch here, can you see it bounce up immediately? This market also bounced up and it came back to test the second time. Can you see it? And anytime this blue line touch here, price will bounce up. So we now allow the yellow line, blue line here. Can you see the blue line to cross above the yellow line? Then can you see it? And I place my buying here. I'll put my stop loss below this lower low. Alright, so before you trade, open your chart like this. switch to daily, because daily will tell you the overall direction of the trend for you not to trade against the trend. If you check here, you see that this market overall downtrend. All right, and this blue line touch our buying area here. Can you see it? And I place my buy. Okay, so I place my buy here. Once this blue line touch here, I place my buy, and I will switch to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, depending on your favorite time frame you are using. For me, sometimes I switch immediately this blue line touch here, I switch to 5-minute time frame, then I place my buy, because immediately this touch here is telling me that there is no more downtrend in this volatility 75 index. This market is telling us that this trend now is an uptrend. All right, so once you switch to daily time frame, and you discover that daily is telling you to buy, then you will now switch to what? Switch like to your lower time frame, and that you switch to 4 hour, or you switch, can you see it, to 1 hour, or you switch to 30 minutes. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, or you switch to 15 minutes. Can you see it? Or you switch to 5 minutes. Can you see it? Can you see it? So I've checked the daily time frame, and I discovered that the daily has touched here, so it's telling me to buy. Then I switch to 15 minutes, or you can switch to 30 minutes. It depends on your choice. So I switch to lower time frame, then you now place your buy. Once you place your buy, daily has told you that this price is going far. This price is going far. Then you now switch to lower time frame. You switch to lower time frame. For example, you switch to 1 hour. Can you see it? Then you place your entry. See where 1 hour touch here, the blue line touch here. Then I place my buy here. Touch here. Can you see? And I place my buy here. Do you see it? Because daily is telling me that the market is long time trend. So I switch to 1 hour time frame, or if you like, you can switch to 15 minutes or 5-minute time frame. Then that is when you take your entry. Once you take your entry, let me switch. For those of you that is using 15 minutes, can you see it? This 15 minutes, 15-minute touch here. All right, and I place my buy. So you can hold this trade for the long time. For those of you that is using 5 minutes also, can you see it? So if you are using 5 minutes to trade and daily time frame has already told you the market is what is buying. All right, so I want to show you some secrets here. We check here now, here, and check here. Can you see it? Check here, can you see it? And this price show higher low. Can you see it? All right. So if you check here now, here the price touch here. Remember, we have checked daily time frame, and daily has told us that this market overruns of this volatility index is strong uptrend momentum. It has changed from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, for those of you that is now using 5 minute time frame and you switch to 5 minute time frame, immediately this blue line is touching our 9.0, you will be placing your buy, long buying. Can you see it? And the market touch here. See how this price went up, and you will, if you don't want to hold, you'll be taking your profits immediately this touch here. But I will suggest you to hold this trade, because hold is good. It will give you a long profit. Can you see the way I'm holding this trade now? And it touch this area, then market drop here. Since the daily time frame is telling us a long buying, then anytime this market is coming here, you will be buying, and anytime it's touching here, you will be selling. But mind you, you will be buying long and selling short. Please, let's assume you sell here now, you're now expecting to take this profit that, okay, if this blue line touch here, you take your profit. Mind you, some are making it, taking it on, some did not understand this secret I want to show you. That is why some are not. That is why I have shown my student last week the secret of it. You see that this market touch here and this blue line did not come here, and it turned back. Can you see higher high, higher low here? Because the market is uptrend on daily, so sometimes this blue line will not come here. It will just respect this zone. Once it respects this area, it will drop high, then continue its movement. Can you see? It reach here, and continue uptrend back. So some may be thinking that why this blue line did not come to touch here? Because the trend is uptrend. Not every time the market will be coming to touch there, but you'll be buying high and selling low. Can you see this market turn? If you are not be careful here, let's assume you sell here and you leave your trade. Can you see it will hit your stop loss there, and the price went up because the trend is uptrend. All right, so anytime, can you see this blue line also come again, touch here? Anytime it's touching 9.0, you will be buying, and anytime you will be buying long, and anytime it's touching this area, you'll be taking your profit, or sometimes you can leave the trade. But mind you, if you want to sell, please, you might just sell short. Once you sell, you can take your profit immediately. This, if you sell at the top here, you can take your profit immediately like this. All right, let's assume you sell here, you can take your profit immediately. This blue line touch this 51 area because the trend is uptrend. Can you see it? Can you see it? This market still come down here. Can you see it? You place your another entry buy. Can you see? You still hold on. The price went up and the price drop, and the price is not even touch here. Then the price still went up. Can you see it? And this area now, this price has reached here. Can you see it? So the price can what? Can drop little and continue. So mind you, the price might not come to this area. And if we come to this area, then you place another entry. That's how to trade it. So that's how to catch a long time. Can you see this daily time frame now? Can you see I'm holding this trade? Can you see this where you check daily now? This where I bought. I'm holding this trade because it's a long time mentor. It's a long time. Can you see it? So you will be buying high and selling shorts. I will even advise you that maybe if you are using 15 minutes or 5 minutes, so anytime this price, because we have already know the overall of this trend that is uptrend on daily, so anytime it's touching this area, you might sell shorts, you might sell and take your profit at this area. No need of you waiting for price to touch here to take your profit. You can take your profit because market can turn at any time, but fine, if this blue line come and touch again, fine, giving you another entry, because you are doing what daily is doing, because daily is a higher time frame, and 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame, they will be respecting daily time frame. What daily is pointing, as daily is pointing uptrend, 5 minutes, 15 minutes will be pointing uptrend. What 5 minutes will just be doing is that you'll be seeing something like this and those lower time frame, just be seeing something like higher high, higher low. Can you see it? Higher high, higher low. Exactly. When we say higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, till price continue its journey. Can you see it now? This price is pumping up very seriously. Can you see it? This is 1 hour, and 1 hour here has not even show us or higher low. Is higher high, is higher high. So if this price is show us higher low, you will just sell shorts, sell like shorts, and what, continue back up. So don't expect that if this market will come down here, and if the market come down there, fine, you place another buy. But in this case now, you'll be buying long and selling short because the trend is uptrend. So this is the secrets I want to show you guys, because I've shared it with my students last week and they are making use of it and it's helping them perfectly. So that is why I told you guys, knowledge is powerful. You need to change to look for mentorship before you can start trading something. Knowledge is powerful. So I offer mentorship training, live signal provider, and give signal to my students. All right, this is where I would like to stop. Thanks for watching. And this area also, I have another asset here. That is, I have another asset here. I can show you. Let me show you. Crash 500. Can you see it also? Can you see this? This is daily time for immediately it touch share. Then the price pump down. Can you see it? And price touch back here, and the price is going. So this crash 500 also is uptrend, but if you want to trade it, you switch to 5 minutes. So you'll be buying at immediately this blue line touch or touch this area. That is where you'll be placing your buy. All right, thank you guys. This is where I would like to stop. See you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. All right, bye for now.